Unlock the power of instant engagement by building your very own WhatsApp chatbot with Twilio. First, we'll navigate to the Twilio console, the central hub for all our communication needs. Here, you'll initiate the process by setting up a new project or application within Twilio. Think of this as creating the foundation for your chatbot. Next, we'll link your Twilio account to WhatsApp. This seamless integration is what allows your chatbot to send and receive messages on the popular messaging app. Now for the magic defining your chatbot's conversations. This involves setting up keywords and predefined responses to automate common customer inquiries. We'll map out the conversation flow, ensuring your chatbot understands user input and provides relevant, helpful answers, guiding customers through their journey. Imagine instantly answering frequently asked questions, providing order updates, or even booking appointments, all without human intervention. By leveraging Twilio for WhatsApp, you're not just building a chatbot, you're streamlining communication, enhancing customer service efficiency, and creating a more engaging experience for everyone. So, start automating your conversations today and revolutionize your customer outreach on WhatsApp.